Unlocking the meaning of right from the start. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language. Right from the start. This expression is commonly used in both written and spoken English, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to clear up any confusion. Right from the start is a phrase that emphasizes the very beginning of a period of time, process, or event. When someone uses this expression, they are talking about something that has been happening since the very beginning, without any delay. It implies that the condition, action, or situation was present from the outset and has continued since. This section covers the practical usage of right from the start in sentences and different contexts. It's important to understand that this phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it versatile and useful in a variety of situations. Examples in sentences: she had a clear vision for the project right from the start. Right from the start, I knew that we were going to be great friends. He faced challenges right from the start of his career. Contextual usage. Narrative context. When telling a story or recounting events, using right from the start can help emphasize how something was integral to the story from the very beginning. Reflective context. In reflective or introspective statements, this phrase can highlight an initial feeling or thought that has remained unchanged. It's also useful to know what errors to avoid when using right from the start. Redundancy. Be careful not to pair it with other words or phrases that mean the same thing, like from the very beginning, in the same sentence, as it becomes redundant. Misplacing the phrase. Ensure that right from the start is placed correctly in the sentence to maintain clarity and coherence. Understanding and using the phrase right from the start can add precision and clarity to your English communication. We hope this video has helped illuminate its meaning, usage, and some common pitfalls to avoid. Remember, mastering these expressions will not only improve your fluency but also enrich your understanding of the nuances of the English language. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.